Will XRP continue to drop, or has the Trump pump already been fully priced in? If you've been following the markets, you know that XRP has seen some wild swings lately, especially after Trump's involvement with the cryptocurrency space. There was a significant surge in XRP's price, and many were left wondering if this was the start of a new bullish trend or just a short-lived bump. As the price starts to pull back, the big question on everyone's mind is, has the impact of the Trump pump already been factored into XRP's price? Could we be seeing the end of the rally, or is there more room for XRP to grow? The market is full of uncertainty right now, and if you're holding XRP or thinking of investing, you need to understand what's really going on behind these price movements. Let's take a deep dive into the current state of XRP and try to figure out where it might be heading next. Right now, XRP's price is in a bit of a rough patch. After hitting a high following the so-called Trump pump, it started to fall back down. But what's going on? Let's break it down. XRP has been moving in a volatile pattern for the last few months, especially after news broke of Donald Trump's involvement in the crypto space. This news caused an immediate surge in XRP's price, as investors saw it as a potential signal of growth and increased legitimacy for Ripple and its token. However, after the initial spike, the price of XRP has slowly started to drop back, leading many to wonder if the hype has already worn off. Some analysts believe that the rise in price wasn't just caused by Trump's influence, but by a general market reaction to news and speculation. Now that things have started to settle down, XRP's price seems to be adjusting, and it's not clear if this is just a temporary pullback or a sign of a more significant drop. When looking at XRP's current situation, we need to consider several factors. The broader cryptocurrency market, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, has also experienced similar ups and downs, contributing to the overall sentiment. Additionally, there's still the ongoing legal battle with the SEC, which remains a cloud hanging over XRP's future. So, is this pullback in price just a short-term correction, or are we seeing a more extended decline in XRP's value? It all comes down to how the market perceives the recent surge and whether investors are already pricing in any future developments. For now, XRP seems to be in a holding pattern, with investors unsure of what's coming next. Some are hoping that the market will bounce back, while others are waiting to see how the ongoing legal issues play out. But one thing is certain, there's a lot of uncertainty, and only time will tell if XRP can regain its upward momentum. So the big question remains. Has the Trump pump already been priced in, or is there more room for XRP to grow? To understand this, let's break down what priced in really means in the world of investing. When we say that a move or event has been priced in, we're referring to the idea that the market has already factored in the expected impact of that event into the asset's current price. In the case of XRP, after the initial surge caused by Trump's involvement in the crypto space, many investors might have already anticipated this price movement. This means that the excitement surrounding his influence could have already been absorbed by the market, leading to a cooling off period where the price starts to stabilize or even fall. Looking at XRP's recent price chart, we can see some signs of this. After the surge, XRP's price quickly spiked, but the drop after that suggests that the market might have already adjusted to the news. If the price continues to drop, it could be a sign that the market has already priced in the Trump effect, and now investors are waiting for something more substantial to drive the price up again. It's also important to note that the broader crypto market is still in a somewhat volatile state, with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies seeing similar patterns. This could mean that XRP is simply following the broader trend, and the real catalyst for the next price move might not come until there's more clarity around the SEC case or new developments from Ripple itself. But what if the market hasn't fully priced in the Trump effect? If that's the case, we could see another surge in XRP's price if there are further developments related to Trump or his influence on the crypto market. For now, it's crucial to stay tuned to both the market's movements and any news regarding Ripple's legal issues and regulatory status. The price could either stabilize here or rise again, depending on how investors view the long-term outlook for XRP. Ultimately, it all depends on what comes next in terms of news, market sentiment, and the legal landscape surrounding Ripple. Looking ahead, what's next for XRP? Will it keep dropping, or is there a chance for it to rise again? To get a sense of the future, we need to consider several important factors, both in the short and long term. In the short term, the key question is whether XRP will continue its downward trend or if it will find support and start to recover. Investors are likely waiting for any new developments that could provide clarity. If Ripple wins a favorable ruling in its ongoing legal battle with the SEC, it could trigger a surge in XRP's price as investors gain confidence. On the other hand, if the legal uncertainty continues, it could hold the price down for a while longer. For now, many investors are taking a wait-and-see approach, watching for any news that could affect the outcome of the SEC case or other regulatory decisions. Another short-term factor to consider is the broader market trend. XRP's price isn't moving in a vacuum. It's heavily influenced by the overall sentiment in the crypto space. If Bitcoin or Ethereum starts to make a move upward, it could pull XRP along with it. Alternatively, if the broader crypto market faces more volatility or corrections, XRP might continue to struggle in the near term.
Looking at the long term, the future of XRP depends on how Ripple continues to navigate its legal and regulatory challenges.
If Ripple can continue to build partnerships with major financial institutions and maintain its position as a leader in the world of cross-border payments, XRP could see steady growth. Ripple's efforts to position XRP as a bridge currency in international transactions could eventually give it more utility and stability, which would likely push its value up over time. For investors, the strategy will depend on their outlook. Those who believe in Ripple's long-term vision might choose to hold and ride out the volatility, while others might opt to take profits or cut their losses. The key is understanding the factors that drive XRP's price and staying informed about what's happening in both the legal battle and the crypto market at large. So, will XRP keep dropping, or is it poised for a comeback? It's still uncertain, but the potential for both short-term volatility and long-term growth is clear. Investors should stay alert to news, market trends, and Ripple's next moves. The future of XRP might not be predictable, but it certainly holds plenty of opportunities. As we wrap up, it's clear that XRP is at a crucial crossroads. The price movements we've seen lately have been driven by a mix of market sentiment, legal uncertainty, and external influences like the Trump pump. But what comes next will depend largely on how Ripple handles its ongoing legal battles, how the broader crypto market evolves, and whether XRP can find real, lasting use cases that drive demand. For those who are looking to invest in XRP, it's important to consider the risks as well as the potential reward. If you're holding on to XRP, the key will be to monitor any news about the SEC case, Ripple's partnerships with financial institutions, and broader market trends. The next few months could be critical in determining whether XRP regains its momentum or if the price continues to struggle. It's also worth considering the broader implications for the entire cryptocurrency market. If Ripple wins its legal battle and gains more institutional support, we could see a wave of new interest in XRP along with increased adoption in financial systems. On the flip side, if the legal challenges drag on or if the market continues to experience high volatility, it could